Hey guys, Jordan from G-Force. Today I'm going to introduce one of our new innovative products. This is a tilting engine leveler that fits LS and LT engines. What's cool about this product is it bolts right to your valley tray, so it's a very secure way to pick up your engine. But in addition to being a lifting device, it also allows you to tilt or level your engine while you're installing it into your engine bay, which, as you know, definitely comes in handy when you're trying to fish that transmission down into the tunnel. So when you're adjusting this inside of your engine bay, it's recommended to use a ratchet so that you're making small movements so you don't damage anything. But for demonstration purposes, I'm going to show you with our drill here. So right now it's pretty level, right? But if you wanted to adjust it so that the tail end is facing down, you're just going to do that. And it very smoothly allows your engine to be tilted backwards, right? So then when you're in the engine bay and your transmission's where it needs to be, go ahead and level it out, and you're good to go. If you want to find out more about our tilting engine leveler or any of our other lifting devices, check us out at crossmembers.com. Thanks for watching.